How do I start my own agency? This is the very common questions a lot of you ask. And do you know you don't even know what type of agency you want to start, how to grow it, how to scale it. If you are someone looking to start your own agency today or in near future, this video is best for you because I am going to share 5 agency models which will help you grow and scale in 2023. Or if you have already started it and if you are not sure that I'll be able to do it or this is not right for me, then you should watch this video till the end and you will be in the better position to pivot your agency or shift your services or add your more services. So stay tuned, let's start. Number 1 agency model is advertising agency model. In this, what you do? You run Facebook ads and Google ads for your clients, right? And what type of creative mind you need? You need to be creative in understanding the audience, in doing good type of messaging so that it builds, connects with the brand and reach out to the right target audience. This is the main core of the creative agency. And then comes the different part like how to run ads, how to create the messaging and all the stuff, right? Do you know the best part of this agency? It's recurring. Once you get clients, he stays with you month on month basis and he pays you on month basis. You don't have to run for n number of clients every month. So this is the best part of it. If you are someone who knows how to run YouTube ads, Google ads, you can easily learn it, right? There are many free courses available or even paid courses available, but you need to be creative and understand one thing. Once you start advertising agency, first you need to learn, test with lower budgets. You will have low confidence in the start, but eventually when you scale it, your confidence will increase. So have patience and scale slowly. Second trending agency is funnel design agency. Now, in this, you need to be creative in UX UI design. You need to be creative in conversion focused design because funnel design is actually done for sales. So you should know the real pain points. You should know the real conversion focused design, how the sale will happen, what type of structure you need to follow in design or what type of structure you need to follow in terms of copywriting. So you should be strong in that. Otherwise, you won't be able to build funnels, right? You know designing, right? You know graphic stuff, you know UI UX designing. But if you don't know the sales structure, your funnel agency will tend to fail. And do you know, you can charge good price for one landing page because that is someone that will give sales to your customers, right? So yes, there is one thing. If one client comes to you and builds one funnel and that funnel is successful, that client could be the recurring client in near future, not on month basis, but definitely after 3 months, 4 months, 6 months down the line. So this is the advantage of funnel design agency. Second thing, you can also convert it into a recurring basis. For that, I'm going to tell you the third model, and this is the best model which I also personally follow for my agency. Third model is nothing but performance marketing agency. What performance marketing agency does is basically it builds funnels and then runs ad, and they have the complete ownership of the marketing for a client, right? So once you know how to build the conversion focused design, once you know how to do the advertising, performance marketing agency is the best model where you can charge one time and then on the recurring basis also. So, but trust me, this is the most stressful job. You need a big team, you need a creative team, you need a team of people who are good managers and a lot of stuff. Trust me, it's very tough to manage performance marketing agency, but it's fruitful if you are good at that skill, like managing skill, managing team, working with team. It's fun loving. Along with that, it's stressful, but yes, it will reward you if you know the basic stuff. Fourth is very common. It's nothing but branding and social media agency. There are lots and lots of agencies in the market, but every business needs a social media, right? There are many social media agency compared to other agency like performance marketing or funnel design agency. There are more social media agency, but yes, there are more customers also. So for start, if you really want to start and you feel that I'm not confident enough, start with social media agency. You will get clients easily. You need to be creative here. Definitely, for sure, creative is the basis of any agency. If you are not creative, don't be in this field, guys, right? If you are in this field, your creativity must be at the top. And in today's age, in ChatGPT world's age, like content is very easy to build, right? But creativity always wins, and the real marketing skill always wins. So you should know the concepts of marketing very well to take it off. Do it, guys. A social media marketing agencies, you can charge again on the recurring basis. So you don't have to struggle for the clients on month basis. Now, this is the fifth agency, but yes, this is little unique. There are very less agencies, but you can try it out. Video creative agency. This is where you will help your clients with a brand message, copywriting, and then shooting video, creating videos, and then editing videos and publishing on social media. So you can try it out, this fifth agency, see if you can do it, because it's more creative, right? So test these 5 agency models, and these all are proven and tested models in 2023. I run a performance marketing agency. I have the friends from all these different types of agencies who have started with social media, went to advertisement, went to performance, and so on. The agency model started growing in India in 2022, and it has scaled very fast from 2022 to 2023. But there are various models which might be confusing. I gave you the best 5 models. Pick one, stick to one. Consistency is the game and nothing else. So if you have any questions, just comment your question in the comment box, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, because this is just the start, guys. We are going to give you amazing content in near future. Thank you.